Virtual listing presentations are quickly becoming the new norm. In times like these, having the ability to meet with your clients remotely is imperative so that you can continue to run your business with minimal disruption. But are you new to virtual listing presentations, and are you afraid to take the virtual leap? Thankfully, we've got you covered. We just released a free enhancement to Cloud CMA customers called Cloud CMA Live that makes doing a virtual listing presentation a breeze. Here's a few tips and tricks that will make your first virtual listing presentation go off without a hitch. Number 1, in our recent survey, we found that 72% of agents deliver the CMA on the day of the listing presentation. To stand out, send your clients the CMA report a few days beforehand via email or print. That way, they know what to expect and they can follow along with their own copy of the report as you are presenting. It's up to you whether or not to include the suggested list price in your pre-listing CMA packet. Number 2, make sure you have the right tools. Zoom is the most popular virtual conferencing tool at the moment, but there's also Skype and Google Hangouts among others. You also need a way to present the CMA, and Cloud CMA Live is perfect for this, as it has a Zoom feature built right in. Number 3, check with your clients to make sure they have the right software as well. The last thing you want is to have everything ready to go, only to find out they are unable to join the meeting at all. Get all the technical aspects coordinated with them first. Number 4, make sure you have good lighting. Presenting virtually can feel a bit unnatural, so make it as close to real life as possible by being well lit so your clients can see your face and feel like you're in the room with them. Number 5, don't forget to ask for the listing. Remember, clients are still interviewing other agents, and the point of a listing presentation is to get a signed agreement. If you don't ask, you don't get it. Don't be afraid to take a leap and adapt to the challenges of today. And who knows, you might start to prefer virtual listing presentations to the old-fashioned ones.